What about search warrants? Many California criminal investigations involve the service of one or more search warrants. A search warrant is an order signed by a judge that allows the police to look for contraband or evidence of a crime. The Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution protects all of us against unreasonable search and seizure, so warrants are meant to ensure that those rights have been protected. The rules that govern search warrants are complex and constantly evolving, which means that police can make mistakes in drafting and executing them. This is great news for the defense because evidence seized with an invalid search warrant may be inadmissible as evidence in your case, and the prosecutor's entire case against you or someone you care about may hinge on that evidence. If you wish to challenge a search on a Fourth Amendment ground, you must first have standing to do so, meaning that you can't object to a search on the grounds that it violated the rights of someone else. For example, if you were a passenger in someone else's car or a guest in their home, that individual has a reasonable expectation of privacy in those areas, but you may not. However, there are gray areas in warrant law that may allow this type of search to be challenged, so help from an experienced defense lawyer is critical. Police are typically required to knock and announce themselves before executing a search warrant, but they can enter by force if they're denied entry after doing so. Also, police can sometimes obtain authorization for what's called a no-knock warrant. These types of warrants are generally approved only in cases where law enforcement officers have good reason to believe they will face undue harm by announcing themselves. If you or someone you care about needs a lawyer and there's a search and seizure issue involved, call us right now for a free consultation. Our toll-free number is 1-800-NO-CUFFS, as in, get those handcuffs off me. 1-800-NO-CUFFS is 1-800-662-8337. Call 1-800-NO-CUFFS now or check us out online at nocuffs.com.